Alright, hi everybody. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to get some glimmery, shimmery, beautiful, glittery hands. And I'm just going to hurry up and just get started. I want to make this video less than 5 minutes. Alright, you take some lotion. Well, first I'll start with clean hands. This is just a little trick to be a little more glamorous, more shimmery like I am in the face. I have another video on how to do makeup. You can check that one out. How to get this like pretty lavender, bronzy, shimmery highlight. Alright, I take some lotion. I put it on the back hand. I feel like it makes the hands more moisturized when you use it on the back because I feel like the front hands are like receptive and they absorb the moisture. So you put it on the back of your hands. See how it comes out nice and shiny? And then you rub it in. And you rub it into your creases. Nice, glowy, smooth, moisturized skin. And if you feel the need to put more, then you put more. I'll just put some more. And this is what I do. I rub it under the back of my hands. I rub the hands together. Nice amount of moisturizer, right? You see the nice thick coating? I'm trying to overtalk my background. I have a loud background right now. And it's distracting me. But I'm trying to stay focused. Okay, so I'm rubbing my hands together. I rub my hands together. Rub it all in there. Alright, so the moisturizer is basically all worked into my hands. So now I'm going to take a bronzer. You can use like any bronzer, any shimmery product, bronzer, shimmer, highlight. And I would say do it close to whatever's your skin tone. Or if you want to go for like a tan look and you want to get like a more bronzy look, then you do that as well. So I use a bronzer that's close to my hands and I try to hurry up and mix it. You see that nice shimmery bronze? I mix it by rubbing my hands together, the backs of my hands together. I rub my knuckles and my fingers. And then I do the other ones on this side as well. I use my knuckles, my fingers. And I rub them together. I keep rubbing them together. I try to get that product in there as much as possible. I want it to have a certain look. I try not to use this part of my hands, the pink side, whitish pinkish side. So kind of give it like a bronze shimmery look. Let me see. Am I seeing it? I'm seeing it. I don't know if you can really see it. I'm going to put some more on just for the video because I understand what I'm seeing is different than what you're seeing. So I have to put more product. Oh, it smells so good. You can use any like shimmer highlight. That's why I'm not exactly saying any particular brands. Bronzers and highlights are sold in all beauty supply stores and cosmetic drug stores. You rub a nice bronze shimmery. Oh, this is so pretty for the summer. This is really beautiful for all year round. Make your skin look so pretty. Let me see if you can see it. The nice glimmery shimmery sparkle. Should I pull my sleeve down if there's a difference in my arm? Well, I don't know if you can really see it. All right, let's see. I get closer to the camera. I don't know if I can get closer to the camera if you can really see it, but it looks like, you see how it looks almost like metallic? I put a nice bronzer on there. I probably should have left one hand empty. Oh, I have eyelash glue on my finger. I'm like, you know what? Oh, I wish I didn't have that because you see that? Try to scrape that off. Okay, well, anyway. Wow, it's always something messing up my fly, right? Let me get some lotion. Oh, it's rubbing off. It's rubbing off. It's rubbing off. God is good. It's rubbing off. It's rubbing off. It's rubbing off. All right, let me put some more. Bronzer, bronzer, bronzer. Oh, I love bronzer. I love shimmer. Yes, I do. Bronzer, bronzer, bronzer. And it shows out deep on fairer skin tones. I'm brown skin tone. It shows more like a shimmer trophy on me. I like it. I can't complain. I love it. I love bronze. I love shimmer. All right. Oh, there it goes. Oh my God. See, it's almost like wow. Like I dipped them in a trophy, illuminating. All right. And guess what I'm gonna do? On top of that, like that's not enough. Let me see my normal skin tone, and then that's the bronzer. So you see my hand, my arm, I mean, and then you see this shimmery hands look like 24 karat gold. And guess what? I'm gonna go in and do something else. I have this little tube of like bronze glitter. This is not the super fine glitter, but it's close. And this is like bronze, almost like the color of my skin bronze. So I take a little of that, I put it on my backhand. Just take a little, put it on my backhand. And guess what I'm gonna do? This is a nice skin trick. I rub my hands together, but not over my clothes. I'm gonna do it over the floor so I don't get the product on my clothes. So guess what? I'm still talking because I have to overtalk my background. Woo, child. I have to overtalk my background. Wow. Look. Bling, 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 bling. Let me fix my ring. It's crooked. Okay, bling, 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 bling. All right, so this video has been about 5 minutes. I hope you like it. It's a quick way to get glammed up, to get glistening, beautiful, blingy hands. There's something about this lighting. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. If you have any questions, ask away. You can put this all over your body. I mean, I have some good skin tips. You might want to subscribe to my channel. I have good tips. I mean, not just skin tips, beauty tips, lifestyle, glamour, fashion, luxe. That's who I am. You need to subscribe to my channel. Hit subscribe and follow daily, and I'll post and just, comment whatever questions you have. I'll try my best to answer them, and I'll try to be on often. So you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye for now.